Most cars these days ikenzakalanga.
Nkosana, I have been thinking about everything.
Thinking? What do you mean? There's something wrong.
I don't know how to say it without hurting you. I can't keep pretending that everything is okay.
Pretending? Ngithusa my issue.
I think we need to take a break up, Nkosana.
What? And why?
Hayi ukuthi angikhathalele. Ngiyakhathalela but kusiza ngihlala la ngingajabulanga khona. Angifuni ukuhlala la ngingajabulanga khona.
So wena ulahlekele uthando lami or yini uthola abangcono ukudlula mina after yonke into engikwenzele yona?
Please don't make this harder. Dala ngizizwa so and manje angisafuni. So you can't control myself.
Samuyazi ukuthi ngiphula inhliziyo kanjani. Sengi-introduce nasebazalini bami uyahlanya wena uyaphuza ne.
Now I want to focus on my dreams, chasing my dreams. I'm in difficult time right now. I can't do this, it's too much.
So kulahla mina umuntu bekanayo ebunzimeni bakho wena. So nungabelungu ngikhulumela ne-English.
No, Nkosana ngakulahlanga. You are always amazing. And angeke ngikhona ukunika lokufunayo.
So uchaza ukuthi angeke ngithole elinye ithuba elibuya kuwe. And lokho kushoyo kuyiqiniso yini?
Now, I'm telling you the truth. Sengicabangile ngicabangile.
Uyaxolisa. And awazi nokuthi ungiphule kanjani inhliziyo. Awazi nokuthi kuthanda kanjani.
Nami ngiyakuthanda. That's why I'm letting you go.
Uyangilahla. Yazizwa ukuthi uthini nje. Ngiphula inhliziyo.
Nami ngiyakuzonda lokho. But isinqumo right. Nawe ngiyilanga zokubona ukuthi u-strong than me.
Strong mina. Wena ungaba strong umuntu okuthandayo uyahamba kushiya.
Nkosana ngiyacela. Cela ungabenzi izinto ezibenzima.
Yazi insapho, hamba wona ukugijimisa umkhukhu wakho unyeke mina nokukhupeka kwami.
Yazi ngelinye ilanga uzongixolela Nkosana.
Just leave me alone.
Hayi bafethu mina ngi-understand next. Nkosana after zonke izinto simenzele zona. Ngicela ukuthi usidikele kwenje. Hayi bafethu come on, asenzele ezinye izinto bafethu.
And yena unesandla sokusicabanisa nonkosabo. Nje senze amabharo. Wambile wacolisa unkosabo. Ufuna thina sithini ngalokho?
Indaba usitshela ukuthi bekaloyal. Ithi and bekayi-fake from day one.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi umbone umuhle. Jamani nje.
Bafethu, mina ngicabanga ukuthi unkosana i-backstab. Akasiyi i-backstab kuphela. Ungcolile lo mjide. Simazi so. Uyile bathi uthengisele nabantwana ama-drugs. Nami wangithengisela.
Uthi ama-drugs? Userious ngalokho?
Ya, userious. Asho nami ukuthi nami ngijoin i-team yakhe. So kade ngisaba nami James. Igame engabhatala angidlala. So sonke lesikhathi kade zidlula naye. Kanti damani inyo. So ithini iplan? Angeke simeka hambe kanjalo lesitidi.
Bafethu, I can't wait for umbaba bafethu. Simbuze ukuthi lama-drugs simfake nale tayela. Simbuze ukuthi ama-drugs thengisela wona.
Come on bafethu. Sekuseduze ukuthi simbabe ntamalekela imidlalo.
Nah guys, lo mthetho usebenzise kakhulu ukuthi isikhwama sakhe sikhona ukugcwala.
Ekusemajida lo mjidi ye-street kunkosabo senza amabhalo.
So bafethu, unkosana uye lapha wayocolisa unkosabo ukuthi shoot my damani usenza amabhalo.
So unkosabo vele ucolisile ukudamani wangempela.
Enhlathi mina neplan, senze njani bafana?
Shoot my bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi sitshela umphakathi wonke ukuthi damani thengisa ama-drugs. Kwaziwe vele ukuthi uyisikelekeja.
Majida, mele kwaziwe ukuthi le ndaba ibuya kiphi. Unkosabo nonkosana batshela ukuthi bangadlala ngathi. Hayi, kanti basemuva.
Ugrand ngalokho ngoba dinani bekayi-leader yakho.
Hayi, akusibona ama-leader wami labantu. Umkhuhlwane wabantu. So komele bafeshe ama-consequences.
So guys, siyi-group C2 so mele sibahlanganele labantu.
So guys, labo bafana lapho kumele sibalandele, sibahlanganyele, sibashisele, basijoye amasiko, sobashise lapho.
Yazi, wena senza kancane. Vele sho awulandi tayela. Sibalandeni balaba bafana benza kancane.
Did you see them? There's no justice anymore. There's something else.
Yeah, I saw them. They're moving like a dragon. Every move is precise and every step is in sync.
That was in the plan Nkosabo. La bantu ba weak. Mele sibajikele sibakhombe ukuthi thina si strong ukudlula bona.
Ngiyamusaba unkosana na.
Hayi, asisabi, siyawabuna.
What do we do now, Nkosana? It seems like they're stronger than us and they're aware. And I think they're coming for us.
Esisabanyaza labantu. Banyaza bazosiphula amaqolo wethu. And we were wrong.
Maybe we can fix that and face them and also admit what we have done.
La bantu mabubezi. Do you think they will forgive us?
We either face the dragon or we keep them.
Otherwise, we roll with the stone and we face them.
Yo, keep on running, I'll figure it out.
Abantu bakho simfundise leselo manje simkhombe ukuthi thina singubani.
So let's parafin lapho sikhoga umthele la.
Yes. Lekker sijwayela kabi umentshisi.
Bayes bafethu umentshisi lete neslima les.
Sijwayela kabi.
Nguphethe umentshisi kodwa ngeke ngize nginike ngqonqise lo mfo. Enhle kuvele bafethu nenzani? You guys destroying umfana lo. Yena bafethu not your fucking authority kunenza leyo nto. Niyazi ukuthi ningaboshwa. Siyabonga. Ndumiso. Kanye nabanye abafo engabazi la.
Hayi ndoda lo mfo komela ngconye ashe.
Qinithile mfethu.
Oh, you acting like you got to judge and destroy.
Bathabang sebenzisa umqondo lo muntu usibetrayile. Senza amabhari la endaweni.
Manje ukumbulala phila kuzoninika impendulo. Ubani vele onifundisa ukuthi violence is an answer.
Bathabang malaza, simentheni lo muntu.
But bafethu, you can rise above this. Kunamathuba amaningi, ninga create your own shop, nithola imali, nekele ukubulalana nina nodwa. So bafethu, think about it. Nina bafethu ninekhono, nine talent nama skills. So ningasebenzisi ekulimazini abantu. You guys are builders. So bafethu, just get a life. Anona ama enemy nomndeni mawudelayo ngithola. So nina, are you aware ukuthi ingqondo yomuntu omnyama ihlakaniphile? You guys are aesthetic. Ningavumeli ukuqatshwanisa into encane. So lo mfo lo namhlanje mina ngiyamkhulula ngeke. Angeke ngize ngivume nimnqunqise lo mfo. So bafo sukuma lapho nawe.
Wenzani manje?
Lamosha lo muntu kumela.
So wena mfethu lokho kwenzayo ukwenzelani futhi ukwenzeleni futhi?
I was trying to make a living, and while I was trying to make a living, I wanted to come apologize to everyone here, and especially to my team.
So nina bafethu angazange nithola isolution ukuthi lembangela eyenzeke kuKosabo ibangelwa yini ukuze nimncede as a team. So mele nyatshajana ne ngiyabona. So Kosabo, you are free to go. Bayakuxolela bakuxoleli. Tshele mina singihamba. Nani hambani.
Inhliziyo ibuhlungu ngiloko ngizibuze imibuzo engenayo impendulo. Ngabe kutheni na? Ngabe kungani na? Wephupho feseka kunini ngikuncenga. Wephupho fezeka kunini ngincenga hey Wephupho fezeka phupho fezeka phupho fezeka Wephupho lami ha Iphupho lami Umama uyakhaleka Iphupho lami
Yo dog, your voice low. That's a great talent, my bro.
Ngiyabonga mfethu bengilaleni la ngelimnandi namhlanje no music vele ungenza ngiqhubeke empilweni.
Amfo ngiyakujabulela ukukwazi. Nami vele kwakuyiphipho lami ukuthi ngicule nje. Igama lami nguThabang Malaza.
Mina mfethu ngikahiso di vocalist okay. Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ufuna ucula mfethu ithinyizo style sakho sipheke wena umuntu ushaya into.
Okay, ithi ngizama ama line ambala. Ungangijaji kakhulu. Iyophinda ibonane. Shaya inkosi ivumayo. Yo papa ama line lawa vele ngashayayo vele vocals.
Okay, wena mfethu ngiyakuzwa ngashaya yabo. Ngithanda manje ngidwe ungena ngibona mara umculo Graham afune ukuthi uphakamise uvoice uya ngento oyifilayo ngiyangunderstand
Sure.
and uye ngento yakho
Ngiyabona ukuthi passion ingilahla phansi kodwa umculo ngiyawuthanda too and ngajabula ukuthi ungincede ngama basics nani ngifana nje ngawo because ngizamile ukuthola a recent artist but naye uyabhala bafuna unginceda you know when they got fame bayaketha.
Okay mfethu kona kuphi ngizokufundisa mhlawumbe one day singase-share stage nje yabo izinto ezikanjalo.
Hayi bro ngiyabonga ukuhlangana nawe. I hope uvele uzophinda uzongihlola la ikasi ngikhona. Maybe singenza okuningi I got potential and I'm rooting for you bro.
Yeah.
Uzobona malume.